Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here we have received a new update of DJI FLY App. So the new update version is 1.7.4, and if you guys ask me what's new in this particular version, then this version is going to support DJI FPV with the added support of Japanese remote ID. So here also you will be able to find that in the note it is written that update your aircraft firmware to the latest version to use this above feature. So anyways, this feature is only implemented for DJI FPV drones. Anyways, we are using the DJI Mini 2, so this update is not going to put any changes in our DJI FLY App. So after reading this, we got an assurity that there is no major change in the DJI FLY App for the nano drones. So we will be updating this DJI FLY App, and we will be trying our 15 meters hack. We will test whether the hack is working fine or not. Here I have clicked update button, and my DJI FLY App new version is getting downloaded in the background. So let me show you guys the current version which I was using. So currently I was using version 1.6.12. so this version was more stable till now, and now I am updating my DJI FLY App to version 1.7.4. So guys, after updating my DJI FLY App to the latest version, I found a difference in the GPS signal. So let's give some time for DJI FLY App to get itself updated. So once that's updated, I will show you guys what's different I saw. Now on the screen you guys might be able to see that in the signal points we are getting 18 points of signal, and here we are getting a warning as no GPS. So this is the difference that I am seeing after updating the DJI FLY App. Previously when it was 12 points, that time we used to get as no signal, and after 12 points the drone would have considered the signal as stable. But now after 18 points it is getting itself as stable. So this was the one difference that I found after updating. And whenever you update your DJI FLY App, you go to the advanced settings and change your signal loss to RTH. And now in the about section you can see that our DJI FLY App has been updated to the latest version, that is 1.7.4. As I said earlier, my aircraft version as well as the RC version, everything is up to date. Apart from these difference, I could not find any difference in the transmission as well as in the camera settings. Everything is same as the previous settings. As even in the controls we can see the same settings as it was in the previous version. Now in the safety settings you can see that our max altitude has been set to 15 meters. Now we will be using the rainbow application to bypass this 15 meters and test whether the hacks are working fine or not. So here I have opened my rainbow application, that is a free version rainbow application which anybody can use without paying anything. So you can watch the detailed video how you can use the rainbow application. I'll be adding in the I button as well as in the description. It works on both the iOS as well as the Android. So guys, here on the screen you can see that our max altitude has moved from 15 meters to 500 meters. So our height limit has been unlocked and we are able to fly our drone more than 15 meters. After updating the DJI FLY App to the latest version, I have flied my drone around 5 to 6 times and tested different modes that are available on the DJI FLY App, like quick shots, even panorama mode, and everything I have tried. But DJI FLY App has never crashed. So that means DJI FLY App with this version is stable, and you guys can update your DJI FLY App, and even after updating your hack is working fine, RTH is working fine, all the modes like quick shots, panorama mode, everything is working fine, and even photos are getting saved on your phone gallery. So everything is stable. You guys can update your DJI FLY App without any worries. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.